Hi everyone, Lisa here from Down to Earth Gardening. Welcome to today's video. It's a beautiful day. It's midsummer and we want to bring you to the nursery with us just to show you what's going on because there is so much going on here this time of year. I'm in New England and I'm in zone 6A. If you're joining me at home, always check your zones before planting. But I just want to show you some of the beautiful things that I'm seeing today. And I want to give you a couple of tips for shopping at the nursery. So come on and join me and come on and see what we're seeing. Tip number one, come with a list. There's so many beautiful things and it's really tough to not impulse shop, which to be honest with you, I do. I try not to. I like to have a plan. Otherwise, I bring stuff home and I'm looking to add things that don't fit. So come with a list, and if you don't know your specifics, just think about where you're going to put it, the flowering time, and just some of the features that you might want to look for. Tip number two, if you're looking at plants that are flowering right now, try and find some that have different stages of the buds. So this way you can see what they look like in full bloom, but then when you get it home, you're still going to have some flowers to enjoy. Look at these nice tight buds right here. So you're going to get a little more bang for your buck if they're in different stages of flowering. First of all, look at this little beauty. This is little gold star Rudbeckia, or black-eyed Susan. But that brings me to my third tip, is always look for the healthiest plants. So I can see how healthy this is, the leaves, the buds, the flowers, no bugs, no sign of disease. and it also has a really nicely developed root system. So if you tug on it a little bit, you can feel that it's really rooted, and that's exactly what you want for a healthy plant when you're shopping. Okay, so tip number 4, I'm in this beautiful greenhouse here. There's so much going on. Beautiful astilbe, hostas, coral bells. But I want to talk about my 4th tip because this is also really important and it can save you a little money when you're shopping. So I have this black scallop ajuga here in my hand, and this is a pretty, I will say, somewhat aggressive ground cover, but beautiful. It's perfect in the right place. But the tip is you should know a little bit about your plant habits. So that way, if you have a fast grower, you know you can go ahead and buy a smaller container. So in this plant here, I would buy a 1 gallon or an 8-inch because I know that it's going to put on some width and some growth pretty quick. So it really doesn't make sense to upsize your container and spend more money. So just be thinking a little bit about your plant habit, how fast you need it to grow. Okay, we're rounding out our tour here with some beautiful echinacea. I see some lavender and Russian sage that we still want to get to. But I just want to take a minute to thank all of you at home. We appreciate you all so much, and we love sharing these gardening videos with you. If you like this one, go ahead and be sure to tap like and subscribe to us for some future gardening fun. But stick with us, we have a little bit more left.